Yo, what's up sa inyo mga kap? Magandang araw sa inyo. Ako na naman at si Wolfsy para mga Mote Este mag share ng pangmalupitang CVT setup, pang malakasan to. So para sa atin to mga naka ADB 160. Although pwede rin naman to sa ibang motor. So, ang setup na to, tatawagin nating Wolfsy setup. So, ano nga ba ang Wolfsy setup? So, si Wolfsy setup from low RPM, mid-range to high RPM, meron siyang hatak. So, ibig sabihin nun, meron siyang arangkada, gitna, tsaka dulo. Isa pa, yung starting niya parang nananakmal na aso. Tapos ano pa ba? Basta kayo na bahala. Try nyo na lang muna. So ano bang kailangan natin gawin? Una, kalkal pulley or aftermarket pulley. Pangalawa, kailangan natin magpatigas ng clutch spring. So hindi lang hindi lang porket sinabi kong kailangan magpatigas ng clutch spring, yun na yun. Meron tayong target na RPM. So ang target natin na RPM is 5,000 to 5,500. So 5,000 to 5,500 dapat yung clutch lining natin, dun pa lang siya mag-e-engage sa ating bell, no? Pangatlo is kailangan natin pagpatigas ng center spring. Ang target natin is 6,000 RPM. So ibig sabihin nun, dapat sa 6,000 RPM dun pa lang magsisimulang umangat yung belt mo. So dapat below 6,000 RPM yung belt mo nandun pa rin sa dulo. Nasa taas pa rin siya ng torque drive. So ibig sabihin nun, pag kumagat yung clutch spring mo sa 5,000 to 5,500 RPM, yung belt mo nandun pa rin sa sa primera. Pang-apat, palitan nyo yung torque drive. Kasi yung stock torque drive ng ADB 160 natin, yung groove niya is dual angle. Na based on experience kasi parang nai-stuck yung nai-stuck sa gitna, no? Anong ibig sabihin ko nai-stuck sa gitna? Yung pagdating ng mid-range nagda-drop yung RPM, no? So paano ko nasabi? Dahil dun yun. Kasi nung nagpalit ako ng female sheave na aftermarket, nawala nawala yung issue ko na ganun. Kung kayo wala pa kayong pamalit ng ng female sheave, i-try nyo na lang din muna. Panglima, fly ball. Syempre kailangan natin magga ng fly ball. Sa case ko, mag-i-start ako sa straight 13. Pwede naman kayo mag-combi, kayo na bahala doon. Pag nagawa mo na yung step 5, siguro yung step 6, step 7 is yung slippage ng clutch lining sa sa bell. So ang pwede natin gawin doon is gumamit ng bell na may groove. Basta dapat pagka naka groove bell kayo, dapat matigas yung lining nyo para hindi madaling mapupod. So yung pump ito, yung torque drive ko, nilagyan ko ng butas-butas na pattern. So nasa sa inyo kung gusto nyo gawin, pero sa akin ginawa ko kasi sa tingin ko makakabawas siya sa pagdulas ng belt sa torque drive. So ayun mga kap, so recap tayo. Step number 1, gumamit ng aftermarket or kalkal na pulley. Step number 2, matigas na clutch spring. Dapat mag-engage ng 5,000 to 5,500 RPM. Step number 3, matigas na center spring. Dapat umangat ang belt after ma-reach ang 6,000 RPM. Number 4, ano ba yung number 4 natin? Number 4 is yon, torque drive. Gumamit ng ano, female sheave na torque drive na may linear groove, kasi yung stock is dual angle. Step number 5 is magaan na bola, mag-start sa straight 13. Number 6 is gumamit ng bell with groove, tsaka syempre with matching lining na matigas para hindi mabilis maupod. So step number 7, yung pinag-eksperimentuhan ko, binutas-butasan ko yung torque drive ko para mabawasan ang slippage ng belt sa torque drive. So yun na lahat yan mga kap. Yan yung Wolfsy setup. So maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta at nanonood ng mga video ko, sa mga followers natin dyan, nagla-like ng video natin, share ng video natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Shout out pala sa kap naming si Joshua Molina. So para sa ito bro, yun na. So hanggang sa susunod na video. Babush.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take